This is going to be a simple tutorial about the scientific method focusing on observations and on inferences. We use our five senses to make observations. What do you see? What do you smell? What do you feel? What can you hear? What can you taste? Obviously in the science classroom we won't rely on taste a whole lot, but nonetheless we do make observations daily using our five senses. When you watch this video, you notice that the word observations is written in purple. That is an observation that you are making. There are two types of observations. One is qualitative and the other one is quantitative. If you think about quantity with that word quantitative, then you would understand that we're going to be assigning a specific number to our observation. Qualitative is quality. Is it hot? Is it cold? What color is what you're looking at? Can you assign a color to it? That would be a qualitative observation. Qualitative observations do not have numbers, but quantitatives do. Here's an example. There are 6 windows in the classroom. There is a specific number, 6, assigned to your observation, making it a quantitative observation. In this picture, we can make several different types of observations. There are 3 rock formations. We're assigning a number, 3, to our observation, therefore that is a quantitative observation. We also notice that the water is blue. No number associated with it, just a color. Blue water becomes a qualitative observation. Now, let's consider inferences for just a second. Inferences are kind of like guesses, hypotheses, maybe predictions. And we're going to use our observations to form those inferences. Here's an example. You drive by this house on your way home from school every day. The next day, you drive by the house and this is what you see. And you may even smell some smoke in the air. Well, based on your observations, you're going to infer that there must have been a fire sometime in the last 24 hours. Based on your observations. Some of the observations are going to be qualitative, some of the observations are going to be quantitative because you can actually measure how much of the house is missing now. So let's go back to our original picture and see if we can form an inference from our original picture. We notice that the rock formations are made out of sandstone. We notice that there's vegetation growing on the top of the rock formations. We've already noted that there's 3 different rock formations. We noted that the water color was blue, but now we're going to add an additional observation. We notice that the water is moving, that it's coming in and it's coming out. Based on these observations, both qualitative and quantitative, we're going to infer, we're going to predict, if you will, we're going to guess that erosion is the cause of these rock formations. Do we know this for sure? No. But it's what we think has happened based on our observations. I want to give a quick shout out to Andrew Quell. He's the one who gave me the idea for this quick tutorial on scientific method. What is the difference between observations and inferences?